How to stop Windows 11 from auto-locking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of your Windows 11 auto-locking itself? Then you're in the right place. If you have turned it on accidentally, then I'll teach you how to stop it. So for that, you'll need to head over to the settings, go to the search on your taskbar, and then write settings. Go ahead and open it. And then on the left hand side, you'll see various options. Go ahead and tap on accounts. So once you're there, scroll down and here you'll need to tap on sign in options. You'll need to scroll down and under additional settings, you'll find dynamic log. Tap on the drop down and then you will need to see that if the it is set to allow window to automatically lock your device, then just untick on it and then now your dynamic lock has been disabled. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.